Breaking Gulf News. Dubai. Gym enthusiasts and bodybuilders genetically susceptible to hair loss may need to choose between a good-looking body or a bald head, a Dubai dermatologist and hair restoration surgeon said. Getting a six-pack and toned body might come at the expense of losing hair, said Dr Hanieh Erdmann, a German dermatologist. There are two reasons: rise of adrenaline during a workout and a hormone found in protein shakes that are consumed in large quantities by bodybuilders. These observations were made at a recent conference where hair experts discussed the predominance of hair loss and its causes among residents in light of a survey that revealed that 2 out of 3 men in the UAE suffer hair loss and almost every second man younger than 30 struggles with hair loss. One of the leading causes of hair loss, especially in men who are genetically predisposed to it, is testosterone sensitivity. This shortens the growth cycle of the hair. Men affected by hereditary hair loss suffer from a supersensitivity of the hair roots due to the hormone DHT dihydrotestosterone, a metabolite of testosterone. This sensitivity, along with other factors, can accelerate the process of hair loss, Dr. Erdmann said. While testosterone makes hair grow, it also weakens the head hair's root in individuals who are predisposed to its sensitivity. During intense workouts, explained Dr. Erdmann, adrenaline is produced in the body, increasing the heart rate, which enables the individual to maximize their workout. However, this increase of adrenaline also increases the output of testosterone levels in men. It is extremely common to find bodybuilders suffering from hair loss, and this is because their hair follicles are sensitive to rising testosterone levels and adrenaline hormones. This, coupled with the anabolic steroids found in certain protein shakes, combine to increase their chances of baldness. In the survey conducted by YouGov, to which 136 men and women in the UAE responded, it was revealed that 67% of respondents claimed to be affected by hair loss and 56% of the men in the survey suffering from hair loss were negatively impacted by it. It also showed that hair loss is among the top 2 concerns for men in terms of their physical image. Respondents blamed stress /82% lack of vitamins /82% and water quality /79% for hair loss and thinning hair. However, experts said hair loss among both men and women in the UAE is due to a combination of influences, including hereditary predisposition, stress, and environment. Hair loss caused as a result of desalinated water in the UAE was not ruled out. Dr. Erdmann said she receives around 100 patients a month, mostly Arabs, who suffer from hair loss. 90% of my male patients were genetically predisposed with a scalp sensitivity against testosterone and, as they grew older, it worsened. This problem was more common in men than in women 20%, who were mostly found to be losing hair from the early entry of their hair follicles into the resting phase because of different reasons, inflammatory scalp diseases and stress. Early treatment. The human hair cycle goes through 2 cycles, one of rest called the catabolic phase and the other a growing phase, anabolic. Dr. Adolf Klenk, head of research and development at Dr. Kurt Wolf CO in Germany, who discovered the benefits of caffeine in hair loss prevention after years of research, explained at what period of life scalps of genetically predisposed individuals start to become sensitive to testosterone. This sensitivity is seen at the end of puberty among men when their testosterone rises and at the onset of menopause in women when their estrogen levels drop. This specific cause for hair loss must be treated early because a dead root cannot be revived, said Dr. Klenk. In the UAE, Dr. Erdmann has noticed a large number of young patients suffering from hair loss. 3% of her patients were children. Psychological/physiological stress and anxiety contribute greatly to hair loss in the UAE. This makes it important for individuals to understand the triggers for stress and control them, she said. When a person is stressed out, the body is stimulated and has to react in return to the change in status by producing adrenaline. The blood circulation then decreases and the muscles tense. This type of prolonged stress interrupts the hair growth cycle. Also, A constant fear of losing hair acts like a self-fulfilling prophecy that results in more hair loss. Experts advise seeking early medical help when hair begins to thin. Looking back at one's family history can be one way to find out if a person is genetically predisposed to hair loss. They also said the hair roots work like alarms that give signs that something is wrong with the body.